In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline to your Wix website. This process is simple and doesn't require any coding skills, making it accessible for anyone using the Wix editor or editor X. Let's start by opening the Wix editor or editor X, depending on which version you're using. Once you have your editor open, navigate to the page where you'd like to incorporate your timeline. This could be a home page, an about page, or any other section you feel would benefit from a timeline display. Next, we'll start building the framework of our timeline by clicking on the Add button in the Wix editor. Go ahead and choose Strip, and then select Blank Strip. This blank strip will serve as the main container for your timeline, and it's essential for organizing all the timeline elements effectively. Now, it's time to add some content to your timeline. Within the strip, we'll incorporate both text and shapes or icons for each significant event or milestone you want to display. To represent your events, use text boxes for the dates and descriptions. This way, your viewers can quickly and easily understand the chronology and significance of each point on your timeline. To visually connect these events, incorporate lines or circles from the Shapes section of the editor. These shapes will act as connectors, ensuring that each event is visually linked, providing a seamless narrative flow. Depending on your desired design, you can arrange these elements horizontally for a horizontal timeline or stack them vertically if you're aiming for a vertical timeline presentation. To maintain a structured appearance, group items related to each event, such as the date, description, and any associated icons. This enhances alignment and overall consistency within your timeline's layout. Remember, it's crucial to style the timeline to match your brand's aesthetic. Customize it by applying your brand's color palette. Choose fonts that reflect your style, and adjust spacing to ensure clarity and cohesion. For those looking to add a dynamic touch, consider incorporating scroll animations to your timeline. You can easily do this by selecting an element within your timeline, clicking on the Animate option, and choosing effects like Fade In or Slide. These animations can enrich the user experience by making the events appear sequentially as your audience scrolls through the page. By following these steps, you can effectively create a visually appealing and informative timeline on your Wix website. Whether used for showcasing company history, a project's progress, or any other chronological details, this timeline will undoubtedly enhance your site's storytelling capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and inspiring as you continue to craft your Wix website.